All right, guys, I'm out in the chilly Texas weather right now with Frank Shelton to talk about something very important, and that is the land that you buy when you're going to build a house. This is something a lot of people don't necessarily think about when they start the process, just how important it is to have the right piece of land. Now, you've built hundreds of houses all over North Texas, so you know the importance of having the right piece of land. So what are some of the biggest things to take into account?
You know, Tim, we want to look at that land as early as we possibly can, even honestly if we can get to it before they even buy the land, because knowing what the true development costs are going to be, you know, it's not as simple as just go, oh, this is a beautiful piece of land. We really want to look at, you know, how much clearing needs to be done, whether or not we need to bring in dirt or take out dirt. You know, we're at a property right now where, you know, just looking at it from the surface level, it looked like a really nice piece of property, but there were things that had to be, you know, thought through. There was a drainage easement across the back of the property, so proper placement of the house. Having a master plan for the property as well. A lot of times people want to build shops or swimming pools or have horse corrals, and kind of planning through all of that. And so making sure before you purchase that land that it will meet all those requirements and not break the bank in doing that. So that's why we really like to be out there as early as possible to kind of help you with that, and also maybe give you some information so that maybe help you get a better deal on the land as well.
And this also, I don't think people think about the cost associated with even just building the driveway. How far away the house is from the road can have a significant effect on the cost, can it?
Yeah, absolutely. And whether or not that road's going to need a culvert, or whether or not, you know, where's the power coming from, you know, so all those things add up, you know, as far as cost. And so knowing those as early as we can, because we're going to want to put all of that in your budget when we start, you know, planning out how much it's going to cost to really build. And so we want to make sure everything's in there.
It's really important to make sure that the land is what it needs to be. Save people a lot of money and hassle to make sure that you do this work up front. Like if you're looking to build a house, you got to make sure it's on the right piece of land, and you have to understand what's going on with that piece of land before you start breaking ground. And it can save you tons of money to have a good plan together. So if you want more information about UBuildIt, Frank Shelton, if you've got some questions about some land that you're looking at that you want to build a house on, go to our website, thipro.com/UBuildIt. Give him a call, send him a message, and he and his team will get in touch with you.